AI is moving faster than any technology we've seen before. What was cutting edge just 6 months ago already feels outdated, and in 2025, the pace has only accelerated. So today, we're breaking down the top 10 AI tools of 2025, the ones that are not just hype, but actually transforming how we work, create, and live. If you're a creator, a student, a business owner, or just someone trying to stay ahead of the curve, this list is going to give you the tools you need to know right now. And trust me, some of these are going to shock you with how powerful they've become. First up, we have the giant, OpenAI's GPT-5. This model isn't just an upgrade, it's a rethink of how AI interacts with us. Instead of giving you one fixed model, GPT-5 is dynamic. It intelligently selects the best sub-model for your request. Writing an essay? It leans into its language core. Debugging code? It taps into its coding specialist. Researching history? It calls on its fact-checking abilities. It's also 45% less likely to hallucinate than GPT-4o. That's huge, because one of the biggest criticisms of AI has been accuracy. GPT-5 is getting closer to being a reliable assistant, not just a fancy toy. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of AI, but smarter because it knows which blade to pull out before you even ask. Next, Google Gemini. Gemini is multimodal, meaning it can process text, images, video, and audio all at once. That's where the world is headed. AI that doesn't just read, but sees, hears, and creates. At Google I/O this year, they unveiled VAO 3, a video generator that can create cinematic quality clips with synced audio. Imagine making YouTube videos, explainer animations, or even short films without needing a studio crew. And then there's Flow, a new set of workflow tools that plug AI directly into your everyday tasks. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, editing documents, or scheduling projects, Flow acts like a digital co-pilot. Gemini is Google's vision of AI as a lifestyle assistant, seamlessly integrated into work, school, and creativity. Now, let's talk about Claude 4 from Anthropic. If GPT-5 is the jack of all trades, Claude 4 is the deep thinker. It's known for handling long, nuanced tasks, like reasoning through legal documents, doing advanced coding projects, or breaking down complex problems. The Opus and Sonnet models in Claude 4 are incredibly powerful at maintaining logical chains of thought, and they're more cautious about safety than other AIs. This makes Claude a favorite for enterprises and professionals who need reliability. Think of Claude as that super organized coworker who can process a 100-page report and summarize it into 3 key takeaways without missing the nuance. AI isn't just about the big companies. Enter Mistral. Mistral Medium 3 has been blowing people away because it competes with models like GPT-4o and Gemini, but it's lighter, faster, and open source. Then there's DevStral, their coding model. This thing beat Google's and Meta's coding AIs in head-to-head benchmarks. That means if you're a programmer, this tool could genuinely save you hours, even days, of debugging. What's exciting here is accessibility. Not everyone can afford enterprise-level AI subscriptions. Mistral is making top-tier AI more affordable, even free in some cases, which democratizes the tech. Here's one that's rapidly becoming the Google killer, Perplexity AI. This isn't your standard chatbot. Perplexity specializes in giving you answers backed with citations. That's right, no more guessing where the info came from. Now they've launched the Comet browser, which integrates AI search directly into your browsing. Imagine never having to sift through 10 different tabs again. Perplexity pulls verified answers instantly, with the sources right there. It's the future of search, fast, trustworthy, and transparent. Not everyone's a Photoshop pro, and that's where Canva Magic Studio shines. In 2025, they've gone all in with AI. Automatic background removals, instant resizing, style transfers, and even AI-generated design templates. For businesses and creators, this means professional level designs without needing a degree in graphic design. And because Canva is so beginner friendly, anyone can use it to upgrade their content game instantly. Let's talk about words. DeepL has long been praised as one of the best translation tools, and in 2025, they've expanded into writing assistants too. DeepL Write doesn't just translate, it refines. It can polish your grammar, adapt tone, and rephrase text to sound more natural in over 31 languages. For global businesses, students, or creators reaching international audiences, DeepL bridges the gap where Google Translate still stumbles. This one's for creators, 11 Labs. Version 3 of their AI voice platform supports 70+ languages, with emotional nuance baked in. That means voiceovers don't sound robotic anymore. They sound human. But they didn't stop there. They dropped 11 Music, which lets you generate background tracks, instrumentals, even full songs with a prompt. Imagine running a YouTube channel with studio-quality narration and music, without hiring voice actors or composers. 11 Labs is making that a reality. If you're in marketing or content creation, Jasper AI is still one of the best assistants out there. It doesn't just generate content, it generates SEO-optimized content. Blog posts, ad copy, email campaigns. Jasper tailors it to rank and engage. With integrations like Surfer SEO, Jasper is essentially your AI content strategist, not just a writer. And finally, let's group some creative powerhouses. Synthesia lets you create AI avatars delivering your script. Perfect for tutorials, training, or explainer videos. Veo Tres, which we mentioned earlier under Gemini, creates cinematic video. This is going to replace stock footage libraries. Refusion generates music using AI diffusion models, which is giving indie creators new ways to score videos without copyright headaches. Together, these tools make it possible to create entire multimedia projects without the traditional budget or skill barriers. So there you have it, the top 10 AI tools of 2025. From text and translation to video, music, coding, and design, these platforms are rewriting the rules. If you've been wondering how AI will change your job, your creativity, or even your daily routine, the answer is, it already has. And these are the tools leading the charge. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Are you Team GPT-5, or are you more hyped about Google Gemini? Drop your thoughts below and let's start a discussion. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI breakdowns, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. Because in 2025, staying ahead of AI isn't optional, it's essential.